Alright, yo, what's going on? It's your boy Little Cuts. Today's episode is gonna be a little different. I'm not gonna make it like a vlog. It's more gonna be like I'm just gonna film my haircuts and stuff. I might do a little tutorial in between. I don't know, whatever. I do have some news for y'all, man. Your boy is finally a master barber. You know what I'm saying? We did it. We went and got our license. I actually just paid for the fee, so we should be getting it in the mail within 2 days. So that's good news for me, good news for y'all. And yeah, without further ado, let's get this episode started. What is going on, everybody? This is your boy Eloy the Cuts. Today we are going to be doing a little taper. Of course, start with the bottom line. He wants a low taper, so I'm gonna give him a nice little low burst taper. After that, we're gonna go with the 2 open. We're gonna be taking down some bulk with the 2 open. After the no clipper open, we're gonna be doing a halfway open and then close. That's how we're gonna be taking down that first panel. After that, we're gonna hop right into the 1 open. Now here's where everything pretty much starts falling into place and stuff, as you can see. Then we're gonna go right ahead with the 1.5 open. Here is where I pretty much start blending the 1 open into the 2. Right here we're hopping back into the 2 open because I decided to take off a little bit more bulk from the top right there. And then we're back with the 1. I believe I have it closed at the moment, or maybe halfway closed, something like that. This is actually now the half, or was the half. I was just doing some detailing right now. Yeah, so I'm pretty much basically done with the blend. As you can see, I'm just kind of detailing and all that good stuff. And we hop right into the lineup. The lineup is what brings everything into place, makes the haircut look so nice and decent. Now we are hopping into the back. Now it's basically every same step that I took for the front, so that's why it's fast forwarded. So I'm gonna pretty much stop talking from here on out. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, man. What's going on, everybody? We back at my house with it. I'm actually editing this little video right now as we speak. I'm just gonna film this as a little outro or whatever. Yeah, man, thank you guys for watching my videos. As always, I really do appreciate you guys for everything. You know what I mean, my clients, my viewers, whatever. I appreciate you all. I hope you enjoyed this video again, and yeah, man, I'll see you guys tomorrow at the shop.